Having the right video editing laptop can save you dozens of hours and make your life so much easier. In this video, I'm going to make sure you find the perfect laptop for you. I'll be breaking down the top 5 best video editing laptops on the market, and regardless of whether you're a casual editor, a professional, or anything in between, I'll have you covered. So if you want to find the perfect video editing laptop for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end so you don't miss anything. First up is the Dell XPS 15, my choice for the best video editing laptop for Windows. With its mighty Core i9 processor, you'll be able to edit even the heaviest videos without a single stutter, and on top of that, the OLED display is one of the most gorgeous I've seen in a while. It's an easy choice as the best video editing laptop for Windows, in my opinion. The Core i9 chip is potent, backed by 32 gigabytes of RAM and a fantastic thermal profile for those long video editing sessions. This is essential if you want a smooth experience while editing for long periods. Numerous tests show that the XPS editing performance is staggering, even with 4K videos. With a 2-minute 4K video, you can export it to ProRes in less than 5 minutes, which is unbelievably fast. Only the MacBook, I'll discuss later, can compare. Another essential feature for video editors is the screen, as you need to check if the quality and colors of the final product are the way you want them. In this aspect, the XPS does not disappoint with its OLED 4K panel. XPS's screen is incredibly bright, and the colors are almost as vivid as the ones you get on the Retina displays of MacBooks. There aren't too many downsides, as this laptop is the best Windows editing laptop for a reason. With heavy video editing, the battery is claimed to last approximately 10 hours. However, you should probably expect less than that, but that is to be expected with this screen quality and power. Also, the screen is a 15-inch one, so if you're looking for a wider screen because you're not comfortable with small panels while editing and using different apps simultaneously, the Razer, I'll discuss later in this video, may better suit your needs. I should also mention that all these laptops are customizable with regards to internal specs like processor or RAM. So if you want to save money or give a laptop an extra performance boost, that's always an option. Overall, the Dell XPS 15 is an ideal machine for heavy video editing with incredible processing power and a mind-blowing OLED screen that will make your editing experience a joy. Next on the list is the Asus Zenbook Pro 14 Duo, my pick for the best dual screen laptop. If you feel like one screen isn't enough when video editing, the Asus Zenbook Pro 14 Duo is an amazing option. With a high-quality design, this second monitor can be a lifesaver for video editors. In fact, the Zenbook Pro has one main screen on the top, like every other laptop on this list, but what makes it unique is that it also sports a second horizontal screen above the keyboard. You can have your main video editing app on the top screen and all the additional tabs and apps on the lower one without switching between different tabs, which is extremely convenient for video editing. On top of that, the Zenbook packs a ton of power with the Core i7 for heavy 4K video editing. The screen's quality is excellent, despite possible issues that could arise when creating a dual screen design. However, the Duo is a perfect choice as you don't have to pay a premium for the second screen. Also, the build quality is one of the best I've seen so far, and if you want your video editing laptop to feel and look premium, the Zenbook might be your best suit for your taste. It boasts a trim 14-inch chassis and is slimmer and tighter than previous versions, weighing around 3.5 pounds. The only issues are that the additional screen is nowhere near the same quality as the main one, but you can use it for extra tabs where you don't need as much resolution. Additionally, the battery life is not as good as expected, with an average battery life of 9 hours at total capacity, which is to be expected when using a dual screen laptop. If you want an editing laptop with better battery life, then I'll have a good option for you later. Nonetheless, the double screen setup makes the Asus Zenbook an incredibly unique video editing laptop for those who want a powerful machine with an additional screen to have all your tools and apps in one place. Coming in the next spot on my list is the MacBook Pro M2, which is my pick for the best overall video editing laptop. The MacBook Pro M2 is the go-to video editing laptop for most people for a good reason. With a very easy-to-use operating system, excellent processing power, and a good overall user experience, it's built with editors in mind. MacBook Pros have many uses because of their reliability and power, and this M2 version is no exception. Loved by many video editors, the MacBook Pro is revolutionary power-wise, but plays it safe in design. With the M2 chip, Apple promises a 40% increase in performance, and I can see that jump in the video editing process. The MacBook Pro handles 4K videos with ease and is also the most silent machine on the list, as you barely hear any noise, even when editing heavy-duty videos. This feature is excellent if you want no distraction while working, or if you often travel and don't want to disturb other people around you. One of the best features of the MacBook Pros is its Retina display. Even if the MacBook's panel resolution isn't as high as the Dell XPS, the image quality and brightness are still leaps and bounds superior on the MacBook. While it may not seem a big deal, crisp image quality is crucial when editing videos. Another significant aspect of the newest Apple laptop is its incredible battery life. With an impressive 15 plus hours of battery life, if you often find yourself traveling or not in a place where you can reliably charge your laptop, the MacBook Pro is your best bet. This MacBook is almost perfect for video editors who want a reliable, robust machine. The only real downside of the MacBook M2 is the fact that it has Mac OS. Not all video editors are used to that and prefer the much more accessible Windows system. The Apple MacBook Pro M2 is an impressive piece of engineering that will win the hearts of many video editors with its incredible battery life, top-notch performance, and reliability that I have come to expect from MacBooks. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like. Next on our list, the HP Spectre X360, my choice for the best video editing laptop for portability. The HP Spectre X360 falls just short of being an ultra-portable laptop with its high performance and build quality. With its powerful chipset and sturdy design, you'll hardly be disappointed with the Spectre if you're looking for a highly portable option. The HP Spectre might be an excellent laptop for you if you want to sacrifice portability for power. The most significant benefit of this laptop is how light and portable it is while still having lots of power to edit even the heaviest of 4K videos. When you edit videos on the go and for hours on end, the last thing you want is a heavy machine that makes it a hassle to carry around. The HP Spectre is an incredibly light laptop with a weight of 3 pounds. It's impossible to beat when it comes to portability. This laptop can be used as a tablet and is also stylus compatible with a pen that attaches magnetically. But it's not just the lightness that makes this laptop a fantastic choice for video editors. The Spectre packs an incredibly powerful Intel Core i7 to edit even the heaviest of videos seamlessly. Also, the 13.5-inch OLED screen is ideal for high-quality video editing. And on top of that, the OLED panel is also a touchscreen, which is perfect if you like to edit your videos by tapping the screen. Also, unlike other convertibles, you won't notice a significant wobble when using the touchscreen. The Spectre does not disappoint, with one of the lightest and sturdiest builds I've come to expect in a Windows laptop. Editing 4K videos on the Spectre while traveling will be a breeze. And the last laptop on our list, the Razer Blade 15, my choice for the best professional 4K video editing laptop. With a rock-solid build, you'll love the Razer Blade 15 if you're a professional looking to edit videos with an excellent export speed without the hassle of lagging. Though it is sold as a gaming laptop, you'll be surprised at how great the Razer is for editing videos. With an Intel Core i7 and an RTX 3060 Ti, you'll be able to handle even the heaviest of video editing sessions without a single stutter. Razer's laptop sports a top-tier RTX 3060 Ti, and this graphics card paired with the Intel H series CPUs make the Razer a powerhouse when it comes to performance. This laptop has fast export and buffering times, which is a relief when editing videos all day. The Razer's display is another fantastic perk of this outstanding laptop. The 15.6-inch 20Hz QHD display offers an ideal screen size and resolution balance. Another great aspect is the connectivity options, which include 2 USB-C ports, one with Thunderbolt 4, 3 USB-A ports, HDMI, a headphone jack, and an SD card reader. The only shortcoming of this powerful laptop is the battery life. The battery lasts no more than 6 hours, which can be a deal breaker if you edit high-resolution videos for hours and don't want to charge your laptop constantly. Having said that, lower battery life is expected when you factor in this machine's incredible processing power. But if you need more juice works for longer periods, then the Mac M2 might be a better option. The Razer Blade 15 is undoubtedly one of the most powerful machines for heavy-duty and professional video editing. If you're a professional who edits for long hours and wants to speed up the process, then the Razer Blade is your laptop of choice. If you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like, and be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.